Just capturing other people isn't way.
This was supposed to be garlic bread.
It's focaccia.
No, it's pav bhaji.
Okay.
It's focaccia, guys. Can you?
This was sweet potato chips, which is basically
This is Bonvita.
no. This is वो क्या
This is
था?
sweet potato chips.
Your viewers are going to think you just hop bars. That's all you do.
Yeah.
I'm
but deep
literally
down-
having water.
So you just hop bars. You don't drink. You
Yeah.
just drink water.
Yeah. And she drinks Bonvita.
Bonvita.
Give me.
क्या हो गया? देखा, हमको पता ही था।
He was panicking.
No, let him complete.
All this while I was trying to find my Apple Watch and it was inside my pocket.
It was not inside.
मैं म्यूजिक वीडियो नहीं बना रही हूँ. अब तो.
We'll see कि किसकी ज़्यादा डोमिनेट।
Pachi.
Her name is Parchi.
My name is everything except Prachi.
Parchi, Pirachi, Parachi,
Yadaj.
Parsley.
Parach also. He calls me
Para-
Parach.
Parsley. My mission got accomplished. Now I'm gonna call you Parsley.
It is your vlog, not mine.
वहीं पड़ जाएगी।
Get it? How much you want?
Good morning. I'm just sitting here in my backyard. This is not a backyard. But I'm just sitting here because मौसम अच्छा है, हवा अच्छी है and I need to wake myself up. I don't want to do that with my phone or TV, so. दो बज गए हैं एंड मैंने अभी तक कुछ भी नहीं करा है. I just feel so disappointed because like मेरा पूरा पॉइंट ही सुबह जल्दी उठने का ये था कि मैं अपने दिन को प्रॉपरली यूटिलाइज करूँ. Because honestly for the past few days I have not been. I've been just bed rotting and doing almost nothing. Like मैं जितना भी काम कर रही हूँ it's kind of next to nothing, you know. Now in the morning I was planning for my final exams that are coming up. I was dividing my syllabus and just looking over what all I need to do. That definitely panicked me a little more, I will not deny. But right now I'm going to do what is due tomorrow because that is more important. That is what is coming up first. So tomorrow I have a practical and an internal assessment assignment submission and another internal assessment assignment submission. I will get on to doing the internal assessment assignments first because I'm not that worried for the practical. काफी easy subject है, so I'm not really worried. I think going over the material and going over some YouTube videos will be more than enough. So that is what I'll stick to. And yeah, I'm gonna get on to doing some more assignments. Towel, kheera, pineapple raita, house.
Yeah, we get it.
Her heart's not beating. It's going to make it harder to diagnose. On the other hand, she's
dying a little bit. They don't look super great because the office gets super cold, but I just and I have a little tear in my back.
How do you feel about the last day of college? Last of second year, we will be, when we come back, except for the exams, we'll be in third year. How do you feel about it?
अभी नहीं रोना, वैसे रोना नहीं आएगा, बट आई थिंक उस दिन आ जाएगा जिस हिसाब से
पॉसिबल, मतलब अब इन सबको देख के लाइक अभी भी हमारे कॉलेज में तो फेयरवेल्स चल रहे हैं, इनको देख के लग रहा है कि यू नो नेक्स्ट ईयर होगी
यार, थोड़ा बहुत तो याद आएगा ही।
क्यों नहीं आएगा? Why do I have 4 packets of sauce? McDonald's sauce. This is how much I go to McDonald's. कि अपने को उन्हीं सॉस डिलीवर कर देंगे. Okay, I'm just about to leave. I am all ready. I'm waiting for my friend to pick me up. We're going to watch the Thunderbolts movie and I'm so excited. It has been a while since like a Marvel movie has excited me. So it feels refreshing. Not gonna lie, जब ट्रेलर वगैरह आया था, जब like announcement हुई थी, even ट्रेलर आया था, I wasn't really that hyped about it. Like I kept very low expectations because जब expectation high रखी, I was disappointed like everybody else. But this time मेरी hype अब जाके build हुई है, you know, to the point that we're watching the movie the first day. We never watch a Marvel movie the first day, like the day of release. We always wait 1 or 2 days for the reviews to come in. But this is the first time that we're watching it like on the day of release, which says a lot about our excitement. So yeah. Also, I did make sure to do all of my work before I leave, like before I started getting ready. I had a lot of design work for my internship that I had to turn in, which I did. Now I can actually enjoy the movie without having to worry that I have to do so much work when I get back home.
An emptiness.
3D glasses or normal glasses
चश्मा
because
पे चश्मा.
we're blind.
Legit struggle है भाई कोई भी 3D मूवी देखने के लिए.
मुझे बाद में इसका नाम भेज दोगे प्लीज, मुझे डालना होता है which you didn't.
I'll get to be perfect. अरे यार मेरा काम.
Butchering the things, okay? so much to catch up. I am so far behind. Let me show you how far behind I am. So यहाँ से मेरे को स्टार्ट करना है, ठीक है? मैंने इतना कर रखा है, यहाँ से स्टार्ट करना है. Wait, that is not all. मुझे अभी लिटरली इतना सारा करना है. एंड दिस इज़ ऑल्सो नॉट ऑल, बिकॉज मैंने अभी आगे नोट्स नहीं लिखे हुए हैं, कंप्लीट नहीं है. आई नीड टू कंप्लीट देम. इसके आगे बेसिकली 10-12 पेज और है. सो आई एम सो फार बिहाइंड.